On this video, I'm going to continue doing 10-minute lessons in Akkadian to just try to shorten the lessons from what I have done in the past. And so we are looking at actually, we have gone so far through 4 lessons. We are now looking at lesson number 15 and going back to the epilogue of Hammurabi. Let me just find where I'm at here. We are looking at, I'm just going to go back and catch us up to where we're at. We started out with Dinat Misharim Shah Hammurabi, the laws of justice which Hammurabi Sharum Leum Ukinuma, the capable king, established. And then we continue, establish, and Matam Usam Kinam, and the land, reliable direction, Uridam Namkam, and good administration, Ushat Bitu, he caused to seize or to establish. Hammurabi, Sharum Git Malum Anaki, Hammurabi, the perfect king I am, Anat Salmat Kakadim, to the black-head people, Shah Elil Ishrukam, which Elil bestowed to me, Reushina, and their shepherd, Marduk Edinam, Marduk, and Marduk, their shepherd, Marduk, I should say, Ul Egu, I was not negligent because they established this for me to do this. I was not lazy. Achi U Adi, the arms I did not throw down. Ashri Shumim, places of peace. Eshte Ishinashi, I sought them. And Pushki Watstuti, hard difficulties. Upeti, hard difficulties, I loosed. Nuram Ushet Si Shi Nashim, light I caused to rise on them. Enekakim Danim, with strong weapon, Shah Zababa, which Zababa, Ishtar, and Ishtar, Ushat Limunim, bestowed with wisdom, Ena Igagalim, Ishimam, Ea ordained, that is, Ea ordained a decree, Ena Liutim, with the ability, Idinam, he gave to me. And I think I stopped at that point. So I'm in line 31. Esuch ubeli, that is, to tear out, ubeli, to extinguish. Asach is from a G preterite, first common singular from nasahu, to tear out. I tore out, and then we have ubeli, a D preterite, first common singular from belu, that is, I tore out, or to tear out, I should say. It is the infinitive or I tore out, and then a D preterite, first common singular from belu, I disposed or extinguished, utiv, and I made good. By the way, ubeli is a D preterite, first common singular from belu, to extinguish. Utiv, I made good, from tiabo. It is a D preterite, first common singular. I made good. Ushar beats, and then to lay down. Hammurabi says, I caused to recline, or I lay down in places of water pastures. Ushar beats, dadmi aburu. Ushar beats is a sheen preterite, third masculine from rabatsu, to lay down. So I caused to recline in places of water pastures. Notice the genitive plural of these nouns is indicated by the I suffix here. And I'm reminded of Psalm 23, where the Lord says, Benot desha yarbitseni. In green pastures, he causes me to recline. And then, ibuninima, then we continue in verse 41. G preterite is a G preterite, third masculine plural from nabu, to call. So he called to me, or he called me, and reum mashalimum, the shepherd who brings order, or the shepherd he called to me to bring order or peace. Reum is a nominative singular noun followed by the D participle masculine singular from mashalimum, from shalamo. So Hammurabi claims to be a shepherd who brings peace. And I am reminded, as I've said before, where Jesus said, I am the good shepherd who brings peace and order to gather believers as his sheep. And so then we continue. Isharat is the next word, is a G preterite feminine singular from asheru, and tarish, to spread. So the idea is I spread over in my bosom. Ina utliya. Utliya is a noun genitive singular from with a pronominal suffix, first common singular from utlu, meaning bosom. Hammurabi carried the people as a shepherd, is the thought. It's interesting to me again. In Isaiah 40, the Lord carries the returning exiles as a shepherd. And so then we continue in the next line. In my bosom, and then Ina lamasiya, in my refuge. Ina introduces the genitive of the noun lamasi, meaning refuge, with the ya, ya ending of the first person pronominal suffix. So he said, I carried them in my bosom, and let me just continue here for just a moment. In line 56, I ruled them, atabalshinati, which is a GTN preterite, first common singular, from, with the pronominal direct object suffix, third feminine singular, I have ruled them, from wabalu, to rule, to look after. Note that the tan infix here is from tab, tunb, where the TANB becomes a TABB. So there's a reiterative aspect of this verb. I'm just going to stop here. I've just been sort of trying to shorten some of these grammatical points that I had made early on to about 10 minutes. And I'm probably being more confusing than anything. So I don't know. I'm just trying something here. But let me just stop and we'll just see how this goes.